This is what period 5 thinks the legacy of Greece is. Hi, my name is Angela, and I think Greece contributed a lot to education. I feel as if the way we learn comes from Plato's ideas.
Hi, my name is Sophia. The Greeks' greatest legacy was architecture. They built phenomenal structures with many materials and design.
Hi, my name is Amanda. Greece's biggest legacy is architecture because they built many buildings with design.
Hi, my name is Molly. Greece's greatest contribution is architecture. They taught the world about the columns.
My name is Eddie, and the Greeks' greatest architecture, they are very good architects because they built amazing places and came up with a bunch of columns.
Hi, my name is Mitch. I think the greatest contribution to our society was the Greeks' architecture. They built great structures with many materials and great designs.
Hi, my name is John. I think Greece's greatest contribution to modern society is their architecture. This is because they built great structures like the Parthenon.
Hi, my name is Adriana. Greece's greatest contribution to me was mythology. I think their stories are fascinating and very interesting.
Hi, my name is Mary Grace. Greece's greatest legacies is its mythology and wars. This is because their mythology is really interesting. Also, they had lots of wars too.
Hi, my name is Natasha. I believe Greece's greatest contribution comes from their mythology. Greece's mythology can bring a person's greatest fantasies to life.
Hi, my name is Kayla. Greece's greatest contribution was their government. In Athens, the first democracy was started.
And my name is April. I think Greece's culture was important. This had an effect on the world of cultural diffusion.
Hi, my name is Christina. I think that the wars and the culture are the greatest legacies in Greece. Why? Well, because the wars are very important because they show achievement and conquers in their nation. And their culture is very important to them because that's what they are and who they are and what they believe in.